One thing I love about school is that we get to learn a lot of new things and make new friends.
I really love the people here. They are really nice and welcoming.
Because it's a great school. They take care of us and they listen to us whenever we're talking to them. They're very nice and they're the best teachers I could get. They do nice stuff with us and they bring us to the gym and stuff.
Oh, my teachers are really nice. They are really nice and welcoming and give me lots of learning opportunities.
They get my backpack ready and lots of stuff, and I just want to say thank you. That makes me feel happy. I like to learn new stuff in gym time and do some pretty new stuff that is neat. You get to grow your brain in math, so I love that the most.
Oh, my friends are really, really nice. They all understand my feelings and they all support me. And they also really care about how I feel every day.
They're funny, kind, and nice.
I would tell another student to come to St. John Paul because everyone is super nice and welcoming, and there are a bunch of fun things you can do here.
This school, you will get a lot of learning opportunities, and this school is kind-hearted. So I'm thinking this school is a great place for everybody to come.